So lately, this has happened once or twice, and I thought I'll post this. Now you can see it's not raining that heavy, but the wipers, they are in constant action. Now, since I had parked under the tree for some time in the rain, these flowers and few leaves had fallen on the glass, and some have got stuck in the wiper blades, and I don't know if the camera can catch that up, but it's leaving a streak. It's a line of water which goes all the way on the sensor, and this constant line of water which goes on the sensor is activating it at this rate. I think you can see the streak being formed here, which is going all the way on the sensor. So let's wipe the wiper blade and see if this gets solved. So let's just wipe the wiper blade. Place it and let's on the auto wipe and see if there's any change. So as you can see, the streak of water has gone, and so has the auto wipe. It is responding normally like it should. So in case you guys get a similar problem, it's a simple fix.